Remember those clunky flip phones? Feels like a lifetime ago, right? Fast forward to today, smartphones are practically an extension of ourselves. But with so many businesses battling for a spot on that tiny screen, the question becomes, how do you create a mobile app that cuts through the noise and actually gets used? You might be thinking of hybrid apps, an all-in-one solution that sounds tempting. But hold your horses. Before you go that route, let's talk about native apps. These are the champions built specifically for iOS or Android, and whispers on the web suggest they outperform hybrid apps in some critical ways. Intrigued? We are too. Hey there, app warriors. I'm Arvind Serene, the chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. For over 14 years, we've helped businesses like yours leverage the power of mobile apps to reach new heights. We've seen trends come and go, from basic feature phones to sleek smartphones we carry today. But one thing remains constant: the need for powerful, engaging mobile applications. In this video, we'll crack the code on top 5 reasons why native apps might be the secret weapon to your business needs. We'll discuss user experience, performance, and features, all from a business perspective to help you make that winning mobile app decision. So, ditch the flip phone mentality and get ready to unlock the power of native apps. Stick around, because at the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your business to the next level with the right choice of app. Let's dive into the reason number 1, performance and user engagement. Remember those apps that take forever to load, stutter while scrolling, crash at the worst moments? Yeah, those are not exactly user magnets. Here's the beauty of native apps. They're built specifically for either iOS or Android. Like a perfectly tailored suit, reciprocating lightning fast speeds, smooth responsiveness, and an overall better user experience. Think about it. Apps are like little shops on your phone screen. You won't want clunky doors or slow service, right? Native apps eliminate those frustrations. They load faster, the animations are smooth, and everything just feels more responsive. This translates to a delightful user experience. Happy users become loyal users, and that's the golden ticket for any business. After all, in today's competitive market, if your app feels sluggish, users will ditch it faster than you can say, uninstall the app. Investing in a native app's performance isn't just about fancy features, it's a strategic move. It keeps users engaged, coming back for more, and ultimately boosting your brand reputation. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've got 4 more reasons why native apps might be the secret weapon for your business needs. Stick around and we'll unlock them all. We talked about native apps being performance powerhouses. But here's another compelling advantage. Our reason number 2, the ability to leverage platform-specific functionality. See, hybrid apps are like those Swiss Army knives that they try to tackle every task, but sometimes the tools feel a bit dull. Native apps, on the other hand, are built specifically for a single platform, whether it's iOS or Android. This allows them to unleash the full potential of the device's features, similar to a toolbox stocked with perfect tools for the job. Imagine you're building a cutting-edge financial services app. With native app, you can leverage the device's fingerprints or facial recognition for secure logins, utilize the camera for quick check deposits, and even integrate the device's built-in GPS for location-based fraud prevention. Hybrid apps might struggle to integrate these features seamlessly, but native apps embrace them. Think about it this way. If you were building a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, you wouldn't want to use a generic all-purpose wrench, right? You'd have a high-precision torque screwdriver for delicate calibrations, industrial-grade welding equipment for robust construction, and maybe even advanced robots for automated tasks. Native apps are like that specialized factory. They can leverage the unique features of each platform to deliver a superior experience for your users, whether it's employees or customers. So, next time you're brainstorming app features, remember, native apps can unlock a whole world of possibilities, giving your business a clear advantage over competitors who may be relying on less customized solutions. So far, we've explored how native apps excel in performance, features, and user experience. But here's another crucial advantage, and our reason number 3. Let's talk troubleshooting and debugging. You know those moments when your apps act wonky and you need to be a code detective to fix it? Well, guess what? Native apps can be a lot easier to debug than hybrid apps. Here's the inside scoop. Imagine your app is a house you built. With the native app, you have blueprints, platform-specific tools, and all the construction manuals, resources readily available. If a light switch isn't working, You know exactly where to look in the manual and how the wiring works specific to that house platform. Hybrid apps, on the other hand, are more like fixer-upper cabins built with random parts. Sure, they might stand, but troubleshooting electrical issues gets tricky. You might need to scour the internet for vague instructions or call in specialists who have seen your specific cabin before. Limited debugging tools. Because native apps are built for specific platforms, developers have access to a wider range of tools and resources designed to diagnose problems quickly and efficiently. This translates to faster bug fixes, fewer headaches, and a more stable app for your users. No more weird app gremlins for them to deal with. So, when it comes to troubleshooting, native apps are like having a well-organized toolbox and a friendly neighborhood electrician on speed dial. That's a win for you, the team, and your happy users. Moving ahead, let's talk about something every business leader cares about: security. Imagine your app holding all your customers' precious info, like a digital vault. Well, native apps can be like a security fortress compared to hybrid apps. Here's the deal. Native apps are built specifically for iOS or Android, so they can tap into devices' own security features. Think fingerprint scanners or facial recognition. They become your app's bouncers, ensuring only authorized users to get in. Hybrid apps may need third-party solutions, which can be a bit like hiring random security guards, less reliable and potentially risky. Plus, with a native app, it's like having a smaller, more secure perimeter to defend. There's less code for hackers to potentially exploit compared to a hybrid app with its web components. And the best part, you're in complete control of your updates with native apps. You get to test them thoroughly before unleashing them to your users, ensuring everything is secure and up to date. Hybrid apps, on the other hand, can be affected by changes in web technology, introducing unexpected vulnerabilities you might not even be aware of. It's like having a security system that updates itself automatically. You never know what you might get. So, for ultimate control and data protection, native apps are the way to go. With that said, we've covered a lot of ground. And you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about cost and scalability? Well, that's where native apps truly shine. Here's why. Our reason 5 is native apps are future-proof investments. Sure, the initial investment might be a bit higher, but here's the secret. Native apps can be a strategic game changer for your business in the long run. Think of it like building a headquarters for your company. You wouldn't skimp on the foundation, right? A strong foundation ensures a stable, secure building that lasts. Native apps are like that solid foundation. They offer a robust, future-proof platform for your app. To break it down, here's why native apps can be more cost-effective over time. Loyal user base. Remember how native apps deliver superior user experience? This translates to happy, engaged users who become loyal brand advocates. Lower user churn means lower customer acquisition costs, which means more money stays in your pocket. Scalability for the future. As your business grows, your app needs to grow with it. Native apps are more easily scalable to accommodate new features and functionality. Imagine a headquarters with a modular design. You can easily add wings or floors as your company expands. Hybrid apps, on the other hand, might require a complete overhaul down the line. It can be like tearing down the entire HQ and starting over, a costly and disruptive process. So while the initial cost of a native app might seem steeper, it's an investment in secure, user-friendly app that'll save you money on maintenance, keep your users happy, and provide a scalable foundation for your long-term growth. Now that's a smart business decision. Would you agree? All right, app warriors, let's recap. We've just explored the top 5 reasons why native apps might be the secret weapon your business needs. Think about it. They are performance powerhouses, feature factories, deliver seamless user experience, work like a charm offline, and are built to future-proof your investment. Pretty impressive, right? Here's the deal. In today's mobile-first world, your app needs to be more than just a pretty face. It needs to be fast, secure, and engaging. Everything a native app excels at. So if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, consider building a native app. It might be a game changer you've been looking for. But hey, this doesn't have to be the end of the journey. Let us know what kind of mobile app challenges you're facing, and maybe we can be the secret weapon that helps you conquer them. Remember, in the app game, knowledge is power. So stay tuned, stay informed, and get ready to build the app that'll take your business to new heights.